40 years ago, August 12, 1985, the deadliest single airplane crash in history is being set in motion. V1, rotate. Japan Airlines Flight 123 lifts off from Tokyo Haneda for Osaka, with 524 people on board. The aircraft is a Boeing 747-146SR, tail number JA8119, built for short domestic hops and high cycle counts. 12 minutes after takeoff, at 24,000 feet, the rear pressure bulkhead ruptures. The blast tears away the vertical stabilizer and severs all four hydraulic systems. Ailerons, elevators, and rudder no longer respond, and the crew fights with the only controls left: asymmetric engine thrust to yaw and pitch the jet. For 32 minutes, they keep the 747 flying over the mountains of Gunma, trying to tame an aircraft that no longer behaves like an airplane. At 6:56 p.m., the jet impacts the ridge near Mount Osutaka. Of the 524 on board, 4 survive. Back in 1978, after a tail strike at Osaka Itami, the rear pressure bulkhead was repaired incorrectly. 2 overlapping doublers left a weak joint, and over thousands of pressurization cycles, microscopic cracks spread unseen. Investigators confirm the cause. The faulty 1978 bulkhead repair led to structural failure, hydraulic loss, and catastrophe. The lessons reshape structural repair standards, inspections for high-cycle airframes, and training for extreme control loss.